Water is the same principle gapon, chest out, back straight. Ito push up, ito kick up ang dumbbell, then push up there. So always chest out good, back straight para emphasize the shoulders, back, chest up. I mean push up there. Press there, press.
Huh?
Ay, so sir?
No. Ang common mistakes ani is that ini-press while kayo tanan. Robot, ana maging gani kayo ana. Okay? That's prone to injury. Or if ano pa mag-shoulder press, prone to injury. So make sure chest out, back straight, elbows not too wide, dili nga ni 45 degrees gapon siya so from the side. Maka-notice mo, dili siya too wide, but naka 45 degrees. Push up na siya. Okay? Push and press. Again, going back. Butang diri sa paa. Lingkod. Kick up ang dumbbell. Hold. Hold diri. Then press up there. Okay? Press. Then
Sir, sa beginners, pila ka kilo?
Beginners, pwede na
O pila ka? Pounds.
pwede na 10 pounds or 5 kilos, 10 kilos, depende sa
Okay, thank you.